Looking for a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods without sacrificing taste or convenience? The Dreo Air Fryer might be the answer you've been searching for. This compact appliance boasts a variety of features designed to make air frying simple and effective, particularly for those cooking for smaller households. Let's delve deeper into the functionalities of the Dreo Air Fryer and see if it lives up to its claims. Perfect for one or two. With a 4-quart capacity, the Dreo Air Fryer is ideally suited for individuals or couples. Its compact design makes it a great choice for apartments, dorms, or kitchens with limited counter space. It doesn't take up much space, yet it offers enough capacity to cook a decent-sized meal for two. Wide temperature range for versatility. One of the highlights of the Dreo Air Fryer is its impressive temperature range, 100 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows you to cook a wide variety of dishes, from delicate foods like vegetables and fish at lower temperatures to crispy treats like chicken wings and French fries at higher settings. Notably, the maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit cooks food 30% faster, ensuring perfectly browned and crispy results. Additionally, the low temperature setting of 100 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to get creative with tasks like making yogurt. Healthy cooking with less oil. At the heart of any air fryer lies its ability to deliver crispy, delicious food with minimal oil. The Dreo Air Fryer utilizes rapid 360 degrees air circulation technology to cook food evenly and thoroughly. This translates to a healthier alternative to traditional deep frying, allowing you to enjoy your favorite fried dishes with up to 95% less oil. Simple controls and presets. The Dreo Air Fryer features a user-friendly digital control panel with an easy-to-read display. This allows you to monitor cooking time and temperature at a glance. For added convenience, the air fryer boasts 8 one-touch presets for common cooking functions like air drying, baking, dehydration, and reheating. These presets are a great starting point, but you also have the flexibility to adjust time and temperature settings to customize your cooking process. 50 Recipe Inspiration. Dreo doesn't leave you hanging when it comes to recipe ideas. The air fryer comes with a recipe booklet featuring 50 healthy and delicious recipes curated by chefs. This is a valuable resource, especially for those new to air frying, offering inspiration and guidance for various dishes. Effortless cleaning. Cleaning up after cooking shouldn't be a chore. Thankfully, the Dreo Air Fryer prioritizes convenience in this aspect as well. Both the cooking basket and plate feature a dual-layer non-stick coating, making food residue easy to wipe away. They are also dishwasher safe, further simplifying the post-meal cleaning process. Safety first. Safety is paramount, especially in a kitchen appliance. The Dreo Air Fryer incorporates food-grade silicone pads on the plate and a stainless steel chamber. All materials are FOA-free and BPA-free, ensuring a safe and healthy cooking experience. Additionally, the air fryer is ETL certified and FDA approved, providing peace of mind for you and your family. The verdict: the Dreo Air Fryer is a compelling choice for individuals or couples seeking a convenient and healthy way to cook their favorite dishes. Its compact size, wide temperature range, user-friendly controls, and focus on healthy cooking with minimal oil make it a valuable addition to any kitchen with limited space. While the capacity might not be ideal for larger families, it offers excellent value for those cooking for one or two. If you're looking for a user-friendly and affordable air fryer that prioritizes healthy cooking, the Dreo Air Fryer is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.